Hi traders, I'll just walk you through how to create a demo account for the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. So just follow the link in the description below, and the address is also on screen there. Once you're at that web address, just scroll down, left click on See More on the MT4 mobile, and then left click on Try Our Demo Account, and then just complete the online form. Fill in all the fields and then just click on register, and then this page will open up and it will give you your demo account details. There's your username, password, and the server that you're going to need to use. Just write that information down, and you'll also get that information via email. Alright, so that's how you can create a demo account for MT4.